Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn new topic. Topic name is rainbow. Now we see some new words. Overcast, cloudy. Second, arc, a curve, then flashed, a bright light that appeared for a short time. Then argument and agree disagreement. Then warm up. Given below are the colors of rainbow. Number them in the right order. Okay. So in the rainbow there are 7 colors. Their name: first violet, second indigo, third blue, fourth green, fifth yellow, sixth orange, and last number 7 red. Reading: dark clouds had gathered in the sky. Soon the sky was completely overcast and it began to rain. Nishi and her mother watched the rain. The rain stopped after a while and the sun peeped out from behind the clouds. Nishi ran to the garden. As she looked at the sky, a lovely multicolored arc flashed right across the blue sky. Nishi, what is that, mother? Mother, that is a rainbow, Indra's bow. When the sun's rays shine on the falling drops of rain, a rainbow is formed. Nishi, mother, tell me why it is called Indra's bow. Mother, well, Indra was the king of heaven. In his court there were 7 naughty children of different skin color. They were always quarreling and fighting with each other. Nishi, really, mother? Mother, yes, my dear. One day an argument arose over who was the greatest among them. The child in violet said, be it jamun, grape, or aubergine, I give them life on their bodies. Am I sin? Spoke the indigo child. Have you seen the peacock dance or flowing stream? The water lily indigo blue. The lake itself takes my hue. Lift your eyes to the sky and you will know why none is greater than I, said the blue child. Now the child in green stated, wherever there is green, I can be seen. On unripe mangoes and tamarind is my seat, my fame shone by the parrot green. The child in yellow came up and said, guavas or bananas, sunflower or rose, in all of them it's yellow that shows. Oranges, carrots or grains, they are all the same. Their color to me they owe. All over the world they glow, said the orange child. Now it's my turn, said the red child. How can it be anyone but me? Watermelons, pomegranates, apples, and tomatoes all have red, you see. Then the mother paused for a while. Nishi, then what happened, mother? Mother, the children were still quarreling when Lord Indra arrived. He asked them why they were fighting, as good children never fight. The children told him that they wanted to know who was the best among us them. Indra told them that there was little to choose between them if all of them played happily together. They would appear even lovelier. When they will form a rainbow together, no one can divide them. The children agreed. Holding hands, they went off happily to play in the sky. Nishi: Mother, I love to see the rainbow in the sky. Mother: All children love the rainbow. When a rainbow appears in the sky, peacocks dance and everyone is happy. Now you see this picture. There are 7 colors. First violet, second indigo, third blue, fourth green, fifth yellow, sixth orange, and seventh number is red color. Rainbows are one of the most beautiful creation of nature. The lesson is a mythological story about how the rainbow was formed. Rainbow which is more beautiful than any color individually because of unity or teamwork. Now see this picture. This picture shows power of unity. Question number 1. What did Nishi see in the sky? Answer. Nishi saw a lovely multicolored arc flashed right across the blue sky. Second question. What were the children always fighting about? Answer. The children were fighting to know who the best was among us them. Then third. What advice did King Indra give to children? Answer. Indra told the children that there was little to choose between them. If all of them played happily together, they would appear even lovelier. Then question number 4. How did the naughty children form a rainbow in the end? Answer. When all the children held their hands together, they formed a rainbow and no one could divide them. Then question number B. Match the columns to complete sentences. First, when the rain stopped. Answer. The sun peeped out. Second, a rainbow. Answer. Is also called Indra's bow. Then third, King Indra. Answer. Was the king of heaven. Then fourth, the 7 naughty children. Answer. Were always quarreling. Fifth, mother said. Answer. All children love the rainbow. And last, Nishi wanted. Answer. To know the story of rainbow. Question number C. Fill in the blanks and complete the sentences given below. First, the child in violet said that he is found in jamun, grape or aubergine. Second, the child in yellow said that he can be seen in unripe mangoes, tamarind and parrot. And last, watermelons, apples, tomatoes have red you seen.